Are you an airplane? Charlie, can you tell me what a rocket does? What about a helicopter? What about a car? What does a car sound like?
Oh.
A car. What does a bus do? That's right. What about a digger? What does a digger do? It scoops it. Scoops it up. Are you showing me with your hand how it scoops it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. What does a cow say?
No.
What does a doggy say?
Huh?
What does a kitty cat say? What does an owl say? What does an elephant say? What does a doggy say?
Huh?
Oh, I said that one already. What does a duck say?
Dad.
What does... I'm trying to remember of some other animals. We need a list. What's another animal? Oh, what does a sheep say?
No.
What does a goat say? Are you stuck on that one? What does a goat say?
No.
What does a turtle say?
Eat.
What does a monkey say? That's all a monkey says? Just that? There we go. What does a lion say? What does a bear say? What does a leopard say?
No.
What about a dinosaur? Okay, I think that's all I'm stumped. I don't know anymore. But you know a lot more, huh? Yeah. Oh, what does a butterfly do? That's right, a butterfly